Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make sushi mayo sauce. First, you'll need to gather your ingredients. The star of the show is Japanese mayonnaise, specifically Kewpie brand, which offers a richer, tangier flavor. You'll also need sriracha for that perfect kick and a touch of sesame oil. Make sure you have a clean bowl and a whisk ready to go. This simple combination creates the best base. Now, let's start mixing. Begin by adding 1 cup of your Japanese mayonnaise to the bowl. Next, carefully measure in 2 tablespoons of sriracha. This amount gives a pleasant warmth without overpowering the other flavors. Finally, drizzle in 1 teaspoon of toasted sesame oil. This adds a wonderful nutty aroma and a subtle richness that truly elevates the sauce. Stir gently to combine. Hey everyone, if you're finding this video helpful, please hit that like button and subscribe for more great content. Quick recommendation: these amazing leak-proof containers are perfect for storing your homemade sushi mayo or any other meal prep. They make healthy eating so much easier. Check the description for the link and other fantastic deals. Now, let's get back to the video. After the initial mix, it's time to fine-tune the flavor. Give your sauce a quick taste. If you prefer more heat, add another ½ teaspoon of sriracha. For a brighter, tangier profile, a 1/4 teaspoon of rice vinegar can make a big difference. Whisk everything together thoroughly until the sauce is completely smooth and has a consistent, creamy texture. This ensures every bite is perfect. While the basic recipe is fantastic, you can always customize it. For a touch of sweetness that balances the spice, a small pinch of sugar works wonders. If you want to deepen the umami, a dash of soy sauce can be a great addition. And for a fresh, zesty kick, a squeeze of fresh lime juice can really brighten things up. Experiment to find your perfect blend.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.